The source of life is a compulsive, contemplative force called life itself, an ongoing process that, like our own thoughts, is never at rest. For life to be an ever-expanding journey into eternity, it must have a reason to persist. That reason is you. Each of you became part of this universal mind so that through you, life would continue to expand infinitely into what has no bounds in time, because eternity exists within this very moment. It is the continuity and endlessness of the present. Who placed the lights in the heavens? Who designed the beauty of flowers and the grandeur of trees? And who brought forth the enigma and wonder called humanity? It was not the source, the totality of life. It was you, powerful beings, the creators who brought forth all that exists. The source is the substance, the reservoir of thought from which all things emerge. But it is you, with the capacity to think, to feel, and with the essence of free will, who are the ultimate creators in life. The source is indeed the totality of thought, the origin of everything that exists. But you are the ones who have drawn from this source and created all the splendor and beauty of form. Through your creative power and sovereign mastery, you possess the ability to receive, hold, and contemplate thought. And through that intelligence, you have shaped everything that is. Imagine for a moment a fantasy, something exciting, thrilling, that stirs your entire being. Now feel all the emotion of that fantasy. That is how your universe was created. That is how humanity was created. That is how everything is brought into being. Beloved creators, you are indeed the architects of all life. You are the ones who formed the spectacular lights that fill your skies. You are the ones who brought forth the wonders of color, design, texture, and scent. You are magnificent beings, part of a magnificent source that is truly everything. You are not outsiders in the universe. You are its creators. You are the supreme intelligence of the source, expressing itself in your creation, called humanity. And all life stands, awaiting your presence, your thoughts, and your feelings. You, my esteemed brothers, are remarkable beings of extraordinary potential, holding within you the intelligence and power to create all things, though you may not realize it. You are more than beings of flesh. You are extraordinary entities expressing through form to carry forward the creative abilities within you. Without your creative thought, your remarkable intelligence, and the profound emotion within you, without all that is unseen within, you would be nothing. And without your creative abilities, life itself would be nothing. For thought would not expand into the values of life or the timeless existence yet to be experienced. Without your creative essence, nothing would be recognized for what it is. What meaning would the beauty of a flower hold if there were no one to appreciate it? Its existence would lack purpose without you. Without you, this world of yours would be only a formless planet, adrift in potential. Without you, the seasons would not have come. The flowers would not have bloomed. The sun would not have risen, and the winds would not have blown. You designed this realm with intent, and all things have come forth willingly to celebrate the creative power that resides within you. Who else shaped this magnificent world for you to inhabit? Only you created this. Are you not beings of supreme intelligence? Indeed you are. You did not evolve into that. You have always possessed this potential. I am here to guide you toward your limitless nature. But first, I will help you recognize your worth and value. To understand the profound intelligence and remarkable power you hold, it is essential to grasp your origins. It is important to understand how, in the beginning, you emerged as wisps of powerful light and have evolved into the complex beings you are today. So let me begin to explain. In your book of books, it says, "In the beginning was the Word, and all was with the Word." But that misses the mark. The Word was nothing without thought, for thought is the basis and creator of everything that exists. In the beginning, what you would call the beginning, there was the boundlessness of thought. This boundlessness of thought can be seen as the source. What you term God is, in a broader understanding, thought itself, the principal cause and foundation of all life. Everything that is, that ever has been, and that ever will be, arises from thought, the intelligence that forms the mind of the source.